So the stock exhaust is registering about 92.5 to 93, directly behind it at idle. 89 to 90 at idle. We'll go 4 feet behind. All right. Got the Vance And Hines twin slash cuts mufflers installed. I'm gonna do a sound check. This is a cold start, and I got my decibel meter out. Granted, now this isn't, like I said, isn't very scientific, but this is the best I can do. I was too cheap and lazy to go out and actually get a decibel meter. And to be quite honest with you, I don't know if one that I would pick up at Harbor Freight would be any better than what I have on my phone. So let's give it a shot. Wow. Yeah. Holy damn. I think the highest reading I got on the decibel meter was about 113. So at idle with the stock, I was getting between 92 and 95. At idle with the with the slash cuts, you're looking about 113, 110 to 113. I didn't check to see what it was doing when I was revving the engine, because that was too I'm at a loss for words. I was just too impressed, I guess, by how it sounded, that I didn't even think about it. Wow, that's freaking amazing. I tell you what though, when you rev on the throttle a little bit and you're at it dies down quite a bit, which is good, just fine. But man, I can't wait to take her off for a spin. I'm gonna do that as soon as I get dressed. All right, and I'll be doing a vlog here shortly. All right, my peoples, I'm out.